I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You need control first, so open the world and enable cheats or make yourself the host/op. Once done, pause the game and go to Settings, right arrow game to find the cheats toggle or default game mode option. Do this because game mode changes require permission. Without it, commands will be blocked. Make sure you pick the right world profile. Realms and dedicated servers manage permissions differently, so confirm you have operator status before moving to the next step. You can change modes instantly with the chat command. Type /game mode followed by survival, creative, adventure, or spectator, and add a player name if needed. You can also use numbers 0 through 3 because Bedrock accepts both names and digits. That's faster on controllers. If you prefer the UI, navigate to Settings, right arrow game and set the default mode to affect newly joined players. Do this so you control both existing player states and what new players spawn into. Once you change the mode, check it immediately. Creative gives flight and infinite blocks, Spectator removes HUD controls, Adventure restricts block breaking. If you don't see the change, save and reload the world or relog to force the client to refresh. For servers or realms, make sure you have operator status. Missing permissions are the main reason commands fail. If problems persist, re-enable cheats, confirm exact command spelling, and then retry. This fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.